Thank you very much, EJ, and thank you for this opportunity to chair this first session. My name is Kelly Malsch, and I'm the head of the Species Program at UN Environment World Conservation Monitoring Center, or UNEP-WCMC. At UNEP-WCMC, I lead our work on international wildlife trade and sustainable wildlife management. I am also part of the External Advisory Committee of the Oxford Martin Program on Illegal Wildlife Trade. I'm delighted to chair this first session of the first annual symposium, which is entitled Diverse Approaches to Illegal Wildlife Trade Research. We have an exciting panel this morning of 3 speakers with a vast expertise and experience in the field of illegal wildlife trade that are presenting a diverse range of topics. I'll start by introducing our 3 speakers. Our first speaker is Steve Broad, and if I could ask each of the speakers to just stand in place as I introduce you. So we have Steve Broad, who's the Executive Director of Traffic, the Wildlife Trade Monitoring Network. He is standing in for Gail Burgess, who unfortunately was unable to attend this symposium. Steve is responsible for Traffic's global operations as a strategic alliance of WWF and IUCN, and leads a team of over 120 staff based in 30 countries worldwide. Our second speaker will be Liz Davis. And Liz is also standing in for the advertised speaker, who was Shannon Randolph, who also was unfortunately unable to attend. Liz is currently studying for her doctorate in anthropology at the University of Bristol, and she serves as San Diego Zoo Global's as a strategic consultant for community engagement. Liz is also part of a team that aims to halt the decline in bears throughout Asia, resulting from the trade in bear bile and bear parts for traditional medicine. And finally, our third speaker will be Dr. Joss Wright, who's over in the corner, and Joss is a co-director of the Oxford Martin Program on Illegal Wildlife Trade, as well as a senior research fellow for the Oxford Internet Institute. His research focuses on the measurement and analysis of internet censorship and on the design of privacy-enhancing technologies. For this session, each of our speakers have been asked to present for around 20 minutes, and following the presentations, after our third speaker, we will have a question and answer session where the audience will have an opportunity to ask our panelists questions about their talks or about the interaction between their research. At that point, we'll have all of the speakers up on the panel, but for the time being, we'll let them sit comfortably and be able to see and view the rest of the presentations. And with that, I will ask our first speaker, Steve Broad, to come up for his talk on catalyzing social and behavior change. Thank you very much, Steve.